In this series, it's all about Ethiopian food. Join us as we share some of our favorite Ethiopian recipes. Make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss any of the upcoming episodes.
Let's get cooking. Today, we're making Sega Wat. Sega Wat is an Ethiopian beef stew. One of the main ingredients you're going to need for this dish is an Ethiopian spice mix called Berbere. We made this recipe ourselves. I'm going to link it in the comment section below so you can check that out. Another thing you're going to need for your dish is the Ethiopian spice butter. This is a homemade recipe. This will also be linked in the comment section below. Ethiopian food is full of flavor, and one of the main ingredients for a lot of the Ethiopian dishes is onions, and a lot of onions.
The measurements for this recipe will be in the description box below. First, start by chopping your onions. For this recipe, we use boneless chuck beef. Cut your beef into half-inch cubes. Peel and mince fresh ginger. Peel and mince fresh garlic. After everything's chopped, prepare your portions of Berbere, Niter Kibbeh, beef broth, and salt. Okay, we have all our ingredients chopped up and ready to go. Start by heating up your spiced butter. Add in your chopped onions. Stir, cover, and cook for 20 minutes. Next, add in the garlic and ginger. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes. Next, add your Berbere spice blend. Mix well. Cover and cook on low heat for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add in beef broth and salt. Next, add in the chopped beef and stir really well. We're going to turn this on low, and we're going to let it simmer for 45 minutes. Okay, we finished making our Sega Wat Ethiopian beef stew. We also have some other Ethiopian dishes that we made. Marilyn and I have been working today doing a lot of Ethiopian dishes. We're going to have some videos of these recipes as well, so you want to check those out on our channel. I have our Sega Wat plated on the Ethiopian bread called injera. When you eat Ethiopian food, you eat with your hands. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste so you can see what it's like. Okay, let's try the Sega Wat. Okay. That's so good. And this is Sega Wat, another Ethiopian dish, vegetarian dish. All these dishes are so good. For more recipes of Ethiopian food and more, check out our channel. Make sure you're subscribed, and thank you for watching.